These cicadas in the eastern United States spend 17 whole years below ground, sucking sap from tree roots, and then, within a few days, a whole population emerges. There may be millions of them in a single acre of land. They clamber up the trees whose roots have provided them with sap for all of those 17 years. And here they change into their adult costume. Now they have the wings they need to search for a partner. Empty larval cases cover the tree trunks and the ground beneath. And above, in the branches, the millions have started to sing. The noise is ear-splitting. After 17 years of living underground, the cicadas are now approaching the climax of their lives. And for the males, that means this. The call is his way of attracting a female. The females reply with a quite different sound. A click made by flicking her wings. So that's what the males are listening out for. I can imitate the female's wing flip with a snap of my fingers, and that causes them to follow me anywhere because they're so determined to find a female. Now, can I bring you back? How about coming this way? Oh, the noise is awful. Come this way. Come on. Yes, I can hear you. Oh, quite right. At last, a male finds his partner, and as he does so, his call alters. He's indicating to her that after 17 years, the time has come to get down to business. How do these cicadas all emerge simultaneously after 17 long years? Well, we know that they can appreciate changes in the contents of tree sap, so they're able to detect the passing of a year. But how do they count up to 17? We have no idea. But even if we did, this surely would remain one of the most astonishing, amazing events in the insect world. And it'll all be over in a couple of weeks. for another 17 years.